The Prime Minister has told MPs he is registered with an NHS GP but has used independent healthcare in the past. Rishi Sunak had previously refused to say whether he uses private healthcare, insisting it was not really relevant. The PM has been under pressure over the issue. Followed a press report that he was registered with a private GP practice. At PMQs, Mr. Sunak praised his local hospital for the fantastic care they have given my family. That's why I'm passionately committed to protecting it with more funding, more doctors and nurses, and a clear plan to cut the waiting lists, he added. Mr. Sunak had told the BBC Sunday with Laura Kunzberg programme that his healthcare was a personal choice. As a general policy, I wouldn't ever talk about me or my family's healthcare situation. It's not really relevant, he told the programme. Registering with an NHS GP does not exclude someone from using private healthcare. The Prime Minister's spokeswoman said Mr. Sunak did not have private cover, and that while she would not get into timelines, he had always been registered with an NHS GP. In principle, he believes that the personal health details of individuals should remain private, but given the level of interest and in the interests of transparency, he has set out that he is registered with the NHS GP, she said. A newspaper report in November suggested Mr. Sunak was registered with a private GP practice that offers on-the-day appointments and home visits. Critics have accused Mr. Sunak of not understanding the pressures faced by the NHS, and Royal College of Nursing General Secretary, Pat Cullen, told the BBC, "I think as a public servant, you ought to be clear with the public whether or not you are using private health cover." Latest NHS figures show that in November last year, 58% of NHS patients were not seen on the day they made an appointment. At the same time, a record high of more than 7 million people are waiting for hospital treatment. Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer said in response to Mr. Sunak's comments that the Prime Minister will find out what it's like to wait on hold at 8 o'clock as you call for an appointment. Sir Keir's spokesman confirmed the Labour leader had never used private healthcare.